If you're running a content-heavy website like a blog, then I'm sure you are aware of how important it is to be able to showcase certain blog posts in your blog front page. Gumbo theme lets you do that, and it is very easy. Settings for featured content are accessible from WordPress theme customizer, and as you can see, there is a featured content section with a few options. So let's take a look at each one of those. First, you have a checkbox that lets you display featured posts in your blog front page. If I check that and save the options, I'm going to see what my front page looks like. And here it is. There's a few posts, and for each one, featured image, title, and excerpt, if you have defined it, are shown. Let's look at the other options. You can select the tag for posts that are shown in the featured content area. For example, I've used tag called feature here, and I have 3 posts tagged with that, so they're showing in the featured content area. You can also set the maximum number of featured posts that are going to be shown. Now, if you have only 2 posts, of course, only 2 are going to be shown, no matter if the number of featured posts you set here is higher or not. And finally, you can choose between full width and content width for your featured posts area. This here is content width, which means it's as wide as your main content area below and as your header above. But you can set it to be full width as well, and that will, first of all, that will stick it right next to the header, so there's no margin, and secondly, it's going to make it full width. So if you have really large image you'd like to showcase, this is the way to do it. Another very important thing with regards to featured content area is that the featured content posts are actually being cached, and the query that gets them from the database is being cached, so it's not going to slow down your website. And the cache is being cleared every time you save a post and every time you save your options, so don't worry, it's never going to be outdated.